come and see us at Donnas Electrical for all your battery supplies. This is an existing solar, freestanding, just across the house. We've added a battery, customer supplying a battery room for our battery to look after it. We decided to put the battery out away from the house so that it could still supply power in the outage. Also at the start of the supply, a lot easier for us to wire up and be able to see all the consumption production from a Tesla app. This is the battery room. Battery installed and a gateway. So pretty simple. 14 kilowatts worth, 5 kVA backup, anti-idling device. So when the grid fails, we'll supply power to the whole house, office, their pumps, rainwater pump. So yeah, they've got all the security in the world now, and obviously even more reduced bills than what they were getting with just the solar. So come and see us at Donnas.